In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create proxies in Premiere Pro. Using proxies will help you save time and prevent frustration when editing 4K or higher quality videos. To create proxies, the first thing you need to do is to go over to your project panel over here and select the files that you want to create proxies for. So I'm going to select this and hold down Ctrl and select this other one. And the one in the middle is a sequence, as you can see. So I'm going to ignore that and right click and select proxies and select create proxies. Next, I'm going to leave my format as QuickTime. If you have yours at H.264, please change it to QuickTime and change the preset to ProRes low resolution proxy. What this will do is that it's going to allow you edit at a lower resolution, but don't worry, your export will come out at the normal resolution. Next, set your destination to next to original media in proxy folder and hit OK. And once you have done that, Adobe Media Encoder will automatically get launched and Media Encoder will open up immediately. And immediately also, Adobe Media Encoder will start creating the proxies. But if it doesn't start creating the proxies like this, all you need to do is to come to this top right section and you'll see a green play button over here and you select it. But as you can see, it's already creating the proxies over here. And once it is completed, like you can see over here, you move back to Premiere Pro. And inside Premiere Pro, select the toggle proxies icon over here to activate it. But if you cannot see it, come over to this plus sign over here and select the toggle proxies over here and drag it onto the menu over here and hit OK. When it's showing blue, it means that your proxies are activated. And the best part is that you will still export at the highest quality. And that's it, guys, on how to create proxies in Adobe Premiere Pro. Thank you for watching and see you in my next tutorial tomorrow.